Please do it, okay? Please do it. You have noted it? I think it is not uploaded in the portal as of now. I forgot to send it to Nishkar sir. But please do it, okay? Please do it. I will ask him to send. I will send him today, and it will be uploaded on the portal. One more thing regarding this is that tests will be on Sundays, right? Tests are on Sundays, ना? देते ही नहीं है आप लोग? हाँ, नहीं देते ना टेस्ट? ईशान, मोहम्मद उमर, निदा, रीबा नहीं देते हैं, है ना? तब तो रीबा I think रीबा gives examinations.
Yes, sir, but like this week and last week I didn't give because I already had examination.
You already had some examination, है ना? तो देखिए मोहम्मद उमर, अगर आप एग्जाम नहीं दीजिएगा तो जो एग्जाम में आएगा तो आपको बहुत डिफिकल्ट लगेगा ही. ओके, सो प्लीज प्रैक्टिस. ओके, प्लीज प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चंस. भूल कैसे जाते हैं आप लोग? Sunday you have tests, and those tests will be mixed. Obviously, it will be having higher percentage of term 2 syllabus and less percentage of term 1 syllabus, according to what we have covered in the last week. Okay, according to what we have covered in the last week. Fair. Now let us go on to our topic. So we were done with static number 4 and all the cases of static number 4. We will start with what? We'll start with static number 5 now. Static number 5. So please write static number is equal to 5. Now in static number 5, we will have the case 1. The first case. This case 1 is what? Number of sigma bond will be equal to? Number of sigma bond will be equal to how much? 5 plus the lone pair will be equal to how much? Lone pair will be equal to 0. And in this case, we will have the static number as 5 plus 0 is equal to 5. Look at the table and tell me the hybridization. Look at the table and tell me the hybridization.
3D.
अच्छा, did we? अरे sp4 p4 होता है क्या? Do we have p4? No, na?
No, sir.
अच्छा, we have not done. Okay,
SP3D.
sp3d na? Yes, Muhammad Umar, sp3d, right? Okay, nahi. Now you understand na why not p4?
Yes.
sp. So we involve 3. We need one more orbital, that is d, sp3d. See, the atomic orbitals that are taking part here are what? The atomic orbitals are s plus p plus p plus p and plus d. So these are the atomic orbitals which are taking part in the hybridization. Okay, now again, then you have to tell me what will be A. How many B will be there in the molecule? The imaginary molecule. How many B's? अरे बोलिए भाई, जल्दी बोलिए. How many B? How many sigma bonds?
5.
5, na? So that many B will be there, na? That many B will be there. Okay. So number of surrounding atom is always equal to the number of sigma bonds. Always equal to the number of sigma bonds. Okay. So first we will write about the geometry. Okay. First we will write about the geometry. How will we predict the geometry? So you have we imagined that we have the atom as a sphere, right? Atom is a sphere. So this is a circle. Now, just to give an illusion of sphere, we can draw something like this, a dotted line. This is somewhat as a sphere. Now, I am writing the center here. This is our center. This is our center. Then you have a line like this. You can arrange the hybrid orbitals like this. One orbital here. And here are the other orbitals. Okay. So tell me these 3 lines that I have drawn, are they of same size or different length? Are they of same length or different length? Please imagine a sphere. Yes, Reba. Reba, what did you say? Yes, Reba. Same or different? Reba, you are mute. Please unmute yourself. Turn the mic on.
Different, sir.
Different. Okay. What about you, Nida? What do you think? Same or different?
Different.
And Umar Abdullah, what do you think? Same or different? उमर अब्दुल्ला अभी आए हैं, वो बोले सर क्या ही पूछ रहे हैं सर, हमको समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. डिफरेंट. अच्छा, मोहम्मद उमर, प्लीज एक्सप्लेन देम व्हाई इट इज सेम.
sir, because the radius is
This
same.
point, Achar, let us ask about, let us ask them, what is this point? Is this the center of the sphere, yes or no?
Yes.
Reba, Neda, it is center of the sphere. And whatever this has drawn, this is the surface, right? This is the surface of the sphere, right, Reba?
Yeah.
Anna? So if I am drawing from the center of the sphere to the surface, then this will be what? The radius, no?
Yes.
So this is the radius. This is also radius, and this is also radius. So they are all same, na?
Yes.
Okay, so this is all same. Now we will also have one here and one here. Okay. So please just imagine this, that they are joining directly here, and then you will have here. So all these are same as of now. Okay, all these are same as of now. So we'll just erase this and let us see what are the orbitals we have got and what is the geometry that we have got. Okay. So let me just go down a bit and let us write geometry. So geometry will be something A like this, correct? Yes or no? Okay, now tell me, what will be this angle? 90 degree, right?
90 degree.
What about this angle? This angle will be 120. Trigonal planar के जैसा था, 120 degree. Okay, so tell me, these two, there are two different angles. These angles are known as axial, and these are known as equatorial. Okay, now I am just making them with a different color. So these red ones are equatorial and the black ones are axial. Now you will tell me, if I have electrons in the equatorial one and if I have electrons in the axial one, where there will be more repulsion? Where will be more repulsion? Where will be more repulsion? In axial or equatorial? Tell me.
Equatorial.
It's equatorial. Okay, so tell me, where is the angle less? In axial or equatorial? Axial, there is the angle is less. Okay. Now, if the angle is less, that means those electrons are near or far? If the angle is less, those electrons are
Near.
Near. So if it is near, then there will be higher repulsion or lower repulsion? If the electrons are near, then
Higher
there will be higher repulsion, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and that is why what happens now, that is why, see, the axial bond, what it wants to, it wants to reduce the repulsion. So there are only two ways. Okay, please listen to me very carefully. There are only two ways in which you can decrease the repulsion. Okay, to decrease the repulsion, you have to increase the distance. Yes or no? To decrease the repulsion, we have to increase the distance. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Now, to increase the distance, you can either increase the angle between the bonds, increase the angle between the electron pairs, or you can just make the distance larger. That means you can make the bond larger. Okay, you can make the bond large. If you lengthen the bond, if you make the bond length higher, what will happen? The electrons will automatically get away from the other bond pairs, right? They will automatically get away from the other bond pairs. There is only two ways to increase the distance. Either you increase the angle, you cannot increase the angle. Okay, it is fixed because it is most stable structure. But what you can do to decrease the repulsion and increase the distance, you increase the bond length. So this geometry is known as C. This is a triangle. There is a pyramid kind of thing above, and there is a pyramid kind of thing which can be made below. So this is known as trigonal bipyramidal. Often abbreviated as TBP. Often abbreviated as TBP. And the shape is what? Shape will be same because I have A, and there are the axial bonds, and I have 5B, so I can easily put 5B's here. So the shape and the geometry will be same, that is TBP. Okay. The only main thing here is that you have two types of bond, the axial bond and the equatorial bond. The angle in axial bond is 90 degree and the angle in equatorial is 120 degree, and the axial bonds are higher. Okay. So please write this. Let me know if you're done. Those who are done, they can write few points also. axial bond space, higher repulsion, and hence axial bond length is greater than equatorial bond length. Let me know if you're done, guys. Static number 5. We will write an example here. Reba is done. Mohammed Umar, Vishan, Nida, let me know if you're done. Nida is done. Umar
Done.
Abdullah is also done. Okay. Rishan, you are also done, or are you writing? Please tell me. I think he is done. Done. Okay. So for example, we have A, and there are 5 B's, right? So what will be B? What will be B, guys? Which element is B? Which element is B? Yes, Mohammed Umar, tell me.
Fluorine.
Yeah, fluorine or any of the halogens, right? Fluorine or any of the halogens. What about A?
Carbon.
A will be, sorry, what? Carbon?
Sorry, I mean
Phosphorus.
Group 15, right? In group 15, it has 5 bonds. That means it is expanding the octet. Hence, it will be group 3. Reba said it right. It will be. Reba, you answered, no? Phosphorus, yeah. It will be phosphorus. Okay. Now, this B, for this example, let us take this as Cl. Okay. You can also take this as fluorine, but I am taking this Cl because Cl is important for examinations. Okay. PCl5. So, AB5 is what? For us, AB5, the example will be PCl5. So let us write, for example, PCl5. Do I need to do everything here? I will just make this, okay? अच्छा, आप लोग के लिए हम कर ही देते हैं. लीजिए आप लोग. What is the atomic number for phosphorus?
15.
15. So argon 4s2 3d
3p. 3d. 3p.
It will be neon, ना first तो argon हमने क्यों ही लिख दिया? It will be neon. 3s2 3p 3. Correct?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
And then phosphorus excited state will be 3s. Then you have 3p. Now, how many electrons? Oh, sorry. How many bond is the PCl5 is phosphorus making in PCl5? How many bond is phosphorus making in PCl5?
5.
And it has how many unpaired electrons?
3.
Is promotion needed? Yes or no?
Mm.
Is promotion needed? Promotion of electron is needed. Yes or no? कोई जवाब ही नहीं दे रहा है. No, it is not needed. Why? Why? Because it has 5 bonds, no? So it needs 5 unpaired electrons. Correct?
Yes, sir.
है ना? But see, the next question is where will the electron go, right? The question is where will the electron go? So this is 3s, this is 3p. Tell me, is 3d possible?
Yes.
Right, 3d is possible because it is the third shell, and obviously this will have a 3d. I mean, all the 5 orbitals will be present, but for us we only need one of these orbitals. Okay, so this all the orbitals are present. I'm just writing dot 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 dot, but we just need sorry, we just need to promote one electron. That means one orbital, and then sorry, this is the ground state. I should have written no ground state. Sorry. So this is ground state. The excited state will be this one. You have 1 electron, 2 electron, 3 electron, 4 electron, and 5 electrons here. The hybrid orbitals, they will be combining all these. So this s p, how many p? 3p, and how many d? 1d. Hybrid orbital will be sp. Okay, sorry. अरे अब ना आगे का तो आप ही लोग कीजिएगा, हम इतना नहीं बनाएंगे, बता दे रहे हैं आप लोगों को। थक गए हैं हम बना बना के। 1 2 3 4 5 है ना? 1 2 3 4 and 5. Then each of the chlorine will come and it will give one electron to each of these orbitals. Do you know of the university, King Abdullah University for Science and Technology?
Yes.
Do you know? कोई पढ़ता है क्या आपका वहाँ?
No, sir.
Okay. It is very good. King Abdullah University is very good. They say that it is the MIT of Middle East.
Yes.
So all these are what? Cl. Okay, all these are chlorine atoms. You can draw the structure like this. Done?
Yes.
Explain the following reaction. By structure. When PCl5 is heated, it breaks down into PCl3 and Cl2. Write the answer. Please write this with me, okay? Why? See, PCl5 has this structure. What is the structure of PCl5? PCl5 is trigonal bipyramidal with 2 long axial bonds, right? And
Yes.
if the bond is long, then it will be easier to break. 2 long axial bonds which are easier to break, which are what? Easier to break and form Cl2. And these are the 2 chlorine and form Cl2. Now, if it has formed Cl2 and if they have broken down, form Cl2, leaving PCl3, and PCl3 is just left. PCl3 is just left. Okay, so you'll draw the structure also. You'll say this is A, this is A, this is E, 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 and E, and you will say that A is greater than E. Assalamu alaikum. Okay, Afan has joined. I don't know whether he's of this class or not. Let me know if you're done. Afan, are you here for chemistry class 11th, chemical bonding?
No, sir, no, sir.
No? Okay, please ask Nishka sir for a new link. चला गया जल्दी करिए हो गया डन
Yes, sir.
मोहम्मद उमर निदा रीशान डन नॉट डन
Done.
Done.
next right steric number 5 and here we have case 2. In case 2 we have the number of sigma bond is equal to 4 plus the lone pair electron is equal to 1. This will give me the steric number will be equal to 4 plus 1 is 5. What will be the hybridization, guys? What will be the hybridization? sp 3d na. Now tell me AB. How many B's will be there? How many B?
4.
4B and one lone pair. Okay, see the geometry will be what? Geometry trigonal bipyramidal, right? TBP. Yes or no?
Yes.
Right. So geometry will be A. So in geometry, you don't have to add the atoms, right? You don't have to add the atoms. So this is the geometry. That's it. Here are the electrons. Okay. Now in geometry, we are not differentiating between the bond pair and the lone pair. But as soon as we write the shape here, then we have to give A. Like this. Now you will tell me. Now there are two types of bond, axial bond and equatorial bond, right? Axial bond and equatorial bond, and we have one lone pair, right? So where will the lone pair go? Axial or equatorial?
Axial.
आज सीधा आंसर बताइएगा ही नहीं आप लोग, सीधा आंसर कैसे बता देते हैं आप लोग?
Axial.
कुछ तो सवाल कीजिए. Axial ले, हम बोल रहे हैं आप लोग डायरेक्ट आंसर कर ही नहीं सकते इसमें. You have to tell me the logic first, na? Start with some question. What do you think? Where will the electron go? What is the? Tell me. Not axial or equatorial. Tell me a generic answer. Tell me. Okay, Reba, let us take you as an example. Okay. What do you like more? Where do you like it more? In India or the Middle East? Middle East. You like Middle East more. Okay. So, अगर पूछा जाएगा आपसे, where will you like to live? Then what will you answer?
Middle East.
Why?
Because I like being here.
Why do you like living there?
Because it's a nice place and I've been here my whole life.
It is a nice place and you have been there for whole life, and what the environment is stable for you, right? You don't have any
Yes.
uncertainty there, right? So
Yes.
this is the answer. Okay, whenever I will ask you anything now,
Okay.
the most
so
safest
the equatorial because the repulsion is less there.
हाँ समझ में आया?
Yes.
कैसे आंसर करना है? You have to know how to think about the questions. Okay, how to see. The question is never asking you direct question where he doesn't want to know where is the electron. He wants to know whether you understand that in equatorial there is a large bond distance, there is a large bond angle. Okay, there is a large bond angle, and if there is a large bond angle, the repulsion will be less, and that is why the lone pair will be residing in the equatorial position and not at the axial position, Okay, so please you have to first of all understand what the question the सवाल कहना क्या चाह रहा है, वो पूछना क्या चाह रहा है आपसे, है ना? वो कुछ बताना चाह रहा है आपको सवाल, ठीक है? So please first understand that. So here will be the lone pair electrons, and after that you can put the B's. 4B will be here. Got it?
Yes.
Yes or no? See, also there is one more problem with the axial one. See, the minimum angle here is what? 90 degree? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now please look at this one bond. It is making 90 degree with this bond also. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And it is also making a 90 degree with this bond. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let us look at this particular equatorial one. It is making only 190 degree with the above and 190 degree with below. Correct?
Yes.
Yes. So here what we are assuming that the 90 degree repulsion, is small. That means the bond angle is small. That is why the repulsion will be higher. So what we are doing here, we are neglecting the 120 degree one. Okay, we are neglecting the 120 degree one. Now we have two bonds. We have a bond which has 390 degree repulsion. We have a bond which has this particular bond has 390 degree repulsion, and the equatorial ones, they have only 290 degree repulsion. That is why this position of equatorial is more suitable for lone pair, because it has less number of, not only it has less repulsion in each case, it also has less number of bond pair repulsion or electron pair repulsion. The axial one has 3 electron pair repulsion. The equatorial one has only 2 electron pair repulsion. That is why the lone pair will be residing in the equatorial one. Now what is this shape? What do you think? What is this shape here?
Seesaw.
अच्छा, सीसो दिख गया सबको? कि पढ़ के आ गई हैं आप?
पढ़कर.
So this is your seesaw. You know, there is a very easy way of making a cartoon. Let me teach you that. Maybe you have seen this. Okay, this is the first step. What did I draw? 66. Okay.
Yes, sir.
What you have to draw? 66. And after that, you just draw. I mean, you can draw many things. You can either draw nose like this. You can draw a nose like this. Okay, easy. Nothing. I mean, nothing fancy. Then you can make him angry like this, or you can make him happy like this. Okay, and then you just do one here. See, quite good, no?
Yes, sir.
So drawing is very easy. I am not an artist. There is one TED talk. I learned it there. It is very easy. You do it. I mean, while you are watching that TED talk now, you just start doing it, and you will be amazed how easy cartooning is. Are you done with this one? Now, what we have to do? We have to check what is AB for. Yeah, sure. You want to write it? Write it down. Done. Okay. Okay. So see, A has the valence electron in A is equal to the lone pair. How many lone pair electrons? 2 plus number of sigma bond is equal to how much? 4, which will be equal to 6 valence electrons. Okay, 6 valence electron. So tell me, A will be what? 6 valence electron. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 6 valence electron. So tell me, AB will be what? Which group? A will be group number
16.
16, na? Group number 16. And it has 1, 2, 3, 4. That means 8 here and 9, 10. That means group 16, third period, because hypervalent and it is expanding the outer, third period or above. Okay, third period or above. And hence from here we can take sulfur as the example. Okay, sulfur as an example, and this is A. And for B, it will be fluorine. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Write the example. SF4. Okay, SF4. Oh, wait a second. अच्छा CISO हम लोगों ने लिख दिया ना CISO. So you can make it like this. Fluorine, 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 fluorine. And this is the lone pair. क्लास में आप लोगों ने विस्पर किया था, रिशान, मोहम्मद उमर, निदान, रीबा. In your school, did you guys do whisper theory?
Yes, sir.
Acha. I hope you are having a bit more insight in whisper theory now. I hope you are a bit
Yes.
more comfortable now, है ना? You are, see, we are not, बस एक टेबल हम लोगों ने याद किया है. After that, we are just applying the logics of putting the, I mean, the central atom at the center of sphere, then distributing the electron pairs around the surface of sphere, है ना? So
Yeah.
please, and again, if you have not memorized this, then I'm telling you, it will go away. I'm not telling you that you will not understand it now afterwards, but it will go away. You will be not retaining it for a long time if you don't practice whisper theory and keep reading it on. Okay, because you have not memorized. You have memorized the 2 का table. वो कभी नहीं भूलिएगा आप लोग, है ना? You will never forget that. So because it is easy. Now, if you memorize the 13 table by some trick and all, कि add कर करके हम जवाब दे देंगे, then you have to memorize, keep memorizing and keep using the 13 table, right? So please, if you have understood it, keep practicing for better retainment. Okay, understanding and memorization is not same. Please understand this. You have to memorize many things. Okay, you have to memorize many things. And I am no one. बहुत लोग आपको कहेंगे कि memorization is for loser and all. I don't believe that. I तो believe कि जिसके पास memorization की क्षमता है, please, he's a lucky one. He's a lucky one. Because it is not everyone's cup of tea to just memorize everything. Done. Can we move on?
Yes, sir.
Now, case 2 is done. We can write case 3. Case 3. Case 3 for steric number 5. Here we'll be having sigma bond is equal to 3 plus lone pair is equal to 2, which will be equal to 5, right? And hence the steric number is 5 for this case. The hybridization will be sp3d and the geometry will be again trigonal bipyramidal. Okay, now here we will be having AB 3 and 2 lone pairs, right? And 2 lone pairs. Now the geometry will not change. The geometry will be the same. That is trigonal bipyramidal. This is trigonal bipyramidal. Okay. Now if I look at the shape here, A. So the lone pair will be on the equatorial region. You will have 3 Bs like this. So what is the shape here? The shape is T shape, है ना? अगर आप लोग बस atoms को देखिएगा, then atoms are making. Here will be atom, here will be atom, here will be atom, and here there will be atom. So this is a T shape. Easy, right? Now tell me A. Which element is A? Or which elements can be A? Which group element can be A? Which group's element can be A?
Group 17.
Halogen.
Yes, halogens, correct. So we have 4 non-bonding electrons plus 3 bonding electrons. That means 7 electron pairs should be in the valence shell. That is why this is group 17, and hence this will give me. Okay, so you can here have not fluorine, right? Because it has how many? 6 and 4, 10. So obviously it will be chlorine or bromine or something, right? Chlorine. Let's take chlorine. And what will be B? B will be fluorine here. So the molecule will be, example you can write ClF3. Can I scroll down? Umar, are you done?
Surveyed.
Okay.
Done, sir.
I have to write for ClF3, right? So chlorine 1, 2, and 3, and these are the lone pair electrons. Okay, and CRT has made all those bunny type of pairs and all. Done. This is ClF3. These are the lone pairs. Try it a bit better. Then comes steric number 6. Here we will have case 1. In the first case, we will have sigma is equal to 6 plus lone pair is equal to 0. Sigma is equal to 6 plus lone pair is equal to 0. The molecule will be AB6. Steric number is equal to 6. Hybridization, if you look at the table, this will be sp3d2. The atomic orbitals participating in this will be s plus p plus p plus p plus d plus d, and there will be 6 hybrid orbitals, right? There will be 6 hybrid orbitals. The geometry again, what you can do, you can have a sphere like this, right? You can have a sphere where you can have, let me just your sphere. The center here. Then you can have one here, I mean 2 here, and then you can also have oops, I cannot make you can have one like this. Just expand this. Right. So you can have atoms here, here, and here. This is your A in the middle, and also you can have one at the top, and you can also have one at the below. Okay, so this is how you can arrange the 6 you can arrange the 6 orbitals. So let me just erase the sphere and all. I can write A here. We will have all the B's. The geometry and the shape will be same. Just write it here. ये ठीक से नहीं दिख रहा ना? Okay, so this is A. Please remember that these are in plane, okay? This is in one plane. This is in one plane and this is above and this is below. So the geometry is known as octahedral. Geometry is known as octahedral. And then you have the shape. For shape, you can add the B's here. Okay. So this is also what? The shape is also octahedral. Shape is also octahedral. So what else do we have right here? What else? What else? What else? Yeah, angle. So see, all these angles are 90 degrees. Okay. So if you have a rectangle, the rectangle they bisect at 90 degrees. Yes or no? Right. They bisect at 90 degree, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So these are 90 degrees. This is also 90 degree. This is also 90 degree. Even this is 90 degree. Okay. This is not 90 degree. Please remember this. So you can write it like this, just coming down the plane. This is one plane. Okay. This is one plane. So A will be what? A will be how many lone pair? There is no lone pair. Sigma bond is equal to how much? 6. So 6 valence electron. Okay, 6 valence electron. And B will the fluorine. B is fluorine. So 6 valence electron, sulfur, right? Sulfur. So the example will be done. All the angles are same here. Okay, please remember that all the angles are same here. Done.
Yes,
Umar,
sir.
Rishan, Nida. Umar, are you done? आनंद बोल दीजिए. Case 2. Sigma bond will be 5 plus lone pair is equal to 1. So tell me AB how much? AB,
5.
yeah. Averaging will be sp3d2. Then you will have geometry. Geometry will be octahedral. Now we are only responsible for the shape. So how will we add the shape here? So first of all, we will make A. Then let us put lone pair here. And let us write the B's here. We can put the lone pair anywhere, but just to get the structure right. As you can see, this is what? This is a pyramid. Right? This is a pyramid. And this is what? A square pyramid. Okay, that is right. The shape is a square pyramidal. Square pyramidal. The shape is square pyramidal. Tell me what will be A? How many valence electron for A? How many valence electron? 2 plus 5,
7.
na? 7. That means group 17. Now,
Halogen.
here fluorine and chlorine will not be present. I mean, see, Fluorine तो होगा ही नहीं. ClF5 can be present, but this is very unstable because see, chlorine is what, group 3, fluorine is group 2. Sorry, fluorine is period 3 and fluorine is period 2. The chlorine is not having very much big size that it can accommodate 5 fluorines. Okay, so that is why ClF5 is unstable, because chlorine has relatively smaller size. Okay, it cannot accommodate 5 fluorines. So here the example is BrF5. Br is a large atom. It can easily accommodate the 5 fluorine, and IF5 is also present. IF5 can also be there. Okay, IF5. So B is what? B is fluorine. Let me just write the example here. Done, guys?
Yes, sir.
Is there anyone who's still writing? Is there anyone who's still writing? No, na? Okay.
I'm writing. Wait.
अच्छा अच्छा, तो बोलिएगा तब तो. Done, Muhammad Umar?
Yes, sir.
Now, case 2 is done. Case 3. Case 3. Sigma bond will be how much? ध्यान ही नहीं है ना. Sigma bond
3.
3. वाह 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 वाह. 6 से स्टार्ट कितना? 5 is done. 4. Plus lone pair will be how much? 2. Steric number will be equal to 4 plus 2, 6. We have to keep the steric number 6. Okay. Then hybridization. sp3 d2. And after this, you will have geometry. Geometry will be sp3. Geometry कहाँ से sp3 होगा? Octahedral. Octahedral लिखा था ना आपने? हाँ. Then this will be AB4 with 2 lone pairs. Okay, AB4 with 2 lone pairs. And you have to write the shape. So shape के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा? A. Then first we will draw the octahedral geometry. Right? And here what we will do, we will give the lone pairs here and here, so that we can get a good structure like this. And as we know that this is one plane, right? This is one plane. Hence this will be square planar. This will be what? Shape will be square planar. how many valence electron in A? A has how many valence electron? 4 lone pair plus 4 sigma bonds. That will be equal to
8,
8 valence electron. That means which group? Group number
15.
18. Noble gas are now making
Yeah.
elements. Xe. Okay. Xe is the only element. I mean, you will be learning only Xe. Okay. Xe is one of the element which makes noble gases. Helium does not make, neon does not make. Xenon is the most common one. And what will be B? B is obviously fluorine. Okay. फ्लोरीन ऐसा एलिमेंट है जिसने नोबल गैस से भी रिएक्ट कर लिया है ना. So just let me write the structure here. Okay, we write the structure. Xenon, then you have what? Octahedral structure because wait a second. आपको क्या दिया गया? You have XeF4. How do you approach this? You approach it like this. You write xenon, then you make 4 bonds. Okay, and you make 4 bonds for xenon like this. 4 bonds बना दिया आपने. Then you see how many electrons is done. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the xenon's electron. Then you have how many more? 4 more. This is 1 electron. Now these are the 4 electrons, right? Then you add fluorines here. Okay, so this is how you will be approaching if you are given to write the geometry and structure of different molecules. So please write this down. Done. जल्दी लिखिए.
Yes, sir.
What about Umar? Umar, are you done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now all of you write a question. You write a question. Determine the hybridization and geometry. Hybridization, geometry, and shape. Determine the hybridization, geometry, and shape of XeF2. Whenever you are asked to find geometry, hybridization, or shape, the first thing that you will calculate is the steric number. Okay, you'll calculate what? A steric number. So steric number we to initially said very easily, na? Number of sigma bond plus number of lone pair. क्योंकि वहाँ पे हमारे पास molecule नहीं था. But how will you calculate the steric number here? Listen, you will first of all write the number of sigma bond. You can see sigma bonds, yes or no? Can you see sigma bonds everywhere? How many sigma bonds are there in XeF2? How many sigma
2.
bonds? 2. In BRF5, how many sigma bonds in BRF5?
5,
5. CH4, how many sigma bonds?
4,
NH3,
3,
CO2,
2.
how many? Sigma bonds is 2 only. Okay, sigma bond is 2. All of you can see the sigma bonds. Okay, so if you cannot see the sigma bond, just count the number of what? Surrounding atoms. Okay, so sigma bond. Steric number will be equal to sigma bond plus, this is very important, plus I can write the lone pair electron, okay, a non-bonding electron, but better than that, I mean, it is better to write it like this, valence minus sigma by 2. Now you will see why. So tell me now, xenon has how many sigma bond here? Xenon has how many sigma bonds here? एक तो ये रीबा के अलावा कोई और आंसर करे तो बता रहे हैं. रीबा, you don't answer please. हाँ, निदा, how many sigma bonds here? हाँ, देखिए निदा नहीं है ना, निदा है ही नहीं. उमर, how many sigma bonds?
2, sir. 2.
2. Okay, how many valence electron in xenon? Like the xenon atom. The xenon atom has how many valence electron?
0.
वैलेंस ही नहीं पूछ रहे हम यार, इलेक्ट्रॉन तो होगा ना लास्ट सेल में. किसका होता है 0? किसी का नहीं होता. Which group? This is in group
18.
18. So how many valence electron?
8.
Very good. How many sigma bonds are there
2.
in the molecule? 2 by 2. Okay, so this will be equal to 2 plus 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. 6 by 2 is
6 by 2, 3.
3. So this will be equal to what? 5. Steric number is 5. Okay, so all of you can calculate this. Now what you have to do? Steric number is 5. You know everything now. Yes or no? You know everything. Wait a second. Let me just decrease the size of the. Okay, so this is the steric number. Then if the steric number is 5, then the hybridization will be equal to what? What will be the hybridization? What will be the hybridization?
sp3d.
sp3d. Okay, the
SP.
geometry. हाँ, अब आ रही है निदा. कहाँ थी आप? Yes, निदा. सिग्मा बॉन्ड
I
नहीं दिख रहा है
had
आपको?
some background voices.
They will not scare me. I read Ayatul Kursi daily. They will not scare me. Okay, you can turn the mic on. Or you can answer in the chat also now. You can answer on the chat also. Okay, fine. Geometry. What will be the geometry, Nida? sp3d. Look at the examples of steric number 5. See the geometry.
PP. PT.
ट्राइगोनल बाइपिरामिडल को आसान करके हमने टीबीपी लिख दिया. वो भी नहीं बोल रही हैं ये सही से. What is this?
TVP.
TBP. Okay, trigonal bipyramidal. If you think trigonal bipyramidal is a easy version, then please pronounce that trigonal bipyramidal. Now, what we have to write the shape. Now, for shape, what you have to do? For shape, you have to draw the trigonal bipyramidal. So, trigonal bipyramidal is you have XE, one here, one here. Now you have to draw what? You have how many? Okay. So the lone pairs are how many? There are 3 lone pairs. Okay, these are the lone pairs. Please remember, this is sigma, and this is what? This is lone pair. This is lone pair electron. So the lone pair electrons will be in the equatorial. Yes or no? And then you will have fluorine here, and you will have fluorine here. Then see, this is you will not get the shape here. You have to draw the only bonds XE, F and F. What shape it is? Like a line, na?
Yes, sir.
Linear. So it is linear. Okay, this is linear. Chali. Done, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Now let me just summarize everything regarding this. So first of all, steric number तो आप लोग को आना चाहिए. So steric number. Now the table that we have drawn, I'm just drawing that table only, but we are including one more thing. That with hybridization, I am also including the geometry. I did not write geometry at that point because I did not want to give you anything in the sense that कि आपको ये याद करना पड़ेगा, है ना? The steric number and hybridization I just gave you, and then I also explained why this will be the hybridization and when the steric number is 2 and 3 and 4 and so on. And for geometry, I showed you that in the space, if I will try to arrange them in such a way that the repulsion is the least, then what geometry will be arising. So if steric number, we will start with what? Steric number 2. Hybridization will be sp. Steric number is 3. Hybridization will be sp2. Okay, if the geometry will be then linear. Here it will be trigonal planar. Please don't forget this triangle. Okay, this means trigonal. If you have 4, then this will be sp3, and then the geometry will be what? Then the geometry will be tetrahedral.
Tetrahedral.
There is also one more possibility if you have steric number 4, which is dsp2. Okay, please just write this. Okay, you will be learning this in your 12th standard. Okay, dsp2, which is having geometry square planar. Square planar for 5 The hybridization will be for 5. The hybridization will be sp3d, and the geometry will be trigonal bipyramidal. For 6, this will be sp3d2. Geometry will be octahedral. Now, you can obviously, if you just remember the straight number on hybridization, then you can obviously you can determine the geometry. Okay, if you will arrange and what will happen and so on and so forth. But it is better that you remember these things also. Okay, you remember with hybridization and the geometry. You should remember these parts. Okay. And then also one more thing is, note, steric number is equal to the number of sigma bonds plus non-bonded plus the lone pair electrons, right? Plus the lone pair electrons. So this you can calculate as sigma plus lone pair electron will be valence electron minus sigma divided by 2. This is how you calculate the lone pair electrons. Please write this down. Let me know if you're done. Let me just zoom out a bit. So if somebody has not written anything, then they can write that also. So next we will meet on Wednesday, right? States of matter. Reba, you're done. Okay, fine. Then you can leave, Reba. Thank you very much. If you're done, you can leave. If you have any doubt, please tell me. Are you done, guys? Rishan, if you're done, let me know. नहीं, किसी का नहीं हुआ है. Okay. Umar Abdullah is done. Okay, fine. Thank you, Umar. Bye bye. Take care.